Detecting a cycle in linked list, also known as Floyd cycle detection. In this, we will understand what a cycle is, how the algorithm works. It is an algorithm where two pointers move at different speeds. If a cycle exists, the fast pointer will eventually meet the slow pointer. A cycle occurs when a node in linked list points back to a previous node instead of pointing to null. Because of this, traversal never ends. The list goes in a loop. This logic is used in detecting infinite loops in a program, memory leak detection, operating systems, deadlock detection, graph cycle detection, blockchain and networking system. That's why this question is very important for interviews. Creating the node class. This class represents one node of the linked list. Data stores the value, next stores the reference to the next node. This is a constructor. Whenever we create a node, data is initialized with a value, next is set to null by default. Cycle detection logic. This method checks whether the linked list has a cycle. True if cycle is exist, false if no cycle. We use two pointers. Slow moves one step at a time, fast moves two steps at a time. This technique is called Tortoise and Hare Algorithm. While condition prevents null reference exception, infinite loops. We stop when fast reaches the end, tends to no cycle. Slow moves by one node, fast moves by two nodes. If a cycle exists, both pointers will eventually meet. If both pointers point to the same node, that means a cycle is detected. If loop finishes and pointers never meet, then no cycle exists. Creating linked list. We are manually creating this linked list. Creating a cycle. This line creates a cycle. The last node, 4, now points back to node 2. We pass the head of the linked list and store the result in a Boolean variable. This is a ternary operator. If result is true, print cycle detected, else prints no cycle found.